Cali weather is a mess. It has been raining this morning. I was supposed to go ride with a bunch of friends, but because of rain we had to cancel. Now we have to do it some other time. California now looks beautiful, so man, I had this light forever to turn green. Oh, nice chopper. So far not too bad. It's kind of windy. I can feel it. The wind is pushing my bike left and right. Yeah, so far so good. The freeway is open. We'll see like when I'm 5 miles in, see what's going on. But right now it looks good. It only piles up when you pass Sunset. We'll soon find out. There's a guy who commented on my videos because I was passing cars in the couple like I did back there, and he said we can't do that, you can't be passing cars in the same lane. I'm like, I don't know where the person who commented on that video comes from, but here in California we get to do that. It's called lane splitting. We can share a lane with a car. It's legal.